Hey everyone, today what we're going to be doing is loading Polaroid One Step 2 I-type film into the Polaroid One Step 2. I've got the Stranger Things edition of film right here, right now, and I'm going to be loading it into the Stranger Things edition One Step 2 camera. So for those of you who are new to Polaroid, this is a cool way to check it out and see how exactly these cameras are loaded properly with film. So first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open it from the top here. Your Polaroid pack of film may be slightly different. It just depends on which edition you get and when you purchased it. I think maybe they used to open from the bottom or something. These open from the top. So I gotta say, I really like the sides here because those fold back in nicely. And I use my boxes to shield film. So with Polaroid film, you wanna make sure it's in a dark place after it comes out of the camera. You can put it face down in one of these and it shields it really nicely. So I keep these boxes to use for the film development. Okay, we've got a really cool package here. It's color I-type film, Polaroid original. It tells us the item number, the production number, a few little details there, but it's so nice to actually get a hold of one of these because for a long time there was worry that Polaroid film was going to be discontinued, and original Polaroid film was, but it was brought back from Polaroid Originals. All right, so we've got a little message here. It says, it's your tool, keep it cool. So essentially, what they want you to do with these film packs is if you're not using them, they want you to store them in a refrigerator so that the film itself is preserved a lot longer than the sort of desired expiration date. You want to find the side that has the Polaroid sticker on it so that you can actually pull it out of the camera. And I've got a pack of film in here already that I'm going to be taking out because it's already been used. So we just pull that over, the little lever here, pull it over and down. And see, the reason you want to have that sticker facing you is because that's how you get the film out of the camera. You just pull on that and it comes out nicely. Once your pack of film is done, it'll look like this. So you can see sort of how the film is pushed upwards as the slides are used. So let's go ahead and put this film pack in. And I'm going to go ahead and turn the camera on. And I'm going to take a photo, not really a photo, I'm going to turn the flash off for this, just because I want the protective film to come off. That's not actually, the paper that's on the top is not actually going to be a photo for you. So it's okay to take a photo once you first put the film in, because as you can see up here at the top, it's even going to indicate it's not reading right now how many frames are left, because we still have that protective film on the top. I'm going to go ahead and take one, pretend like I'm taking a photo. And as you can see, we've got this nice shield that comes out. It's plastic and it covers the photo from light until you can get it somewhere that's dark. I really like that they added this in as a feature. And that's the protective film that we saw earlier. It's a pretty simple process, and it's definitely something that is hard to get wrong, but just in case you were worried about it, I hope this video helped. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you love cameras and photography, and be sure to hit that notification button so that you get notified every time there's a new video. I'm gonna put a link in the description where you can get a fantastic price on this camera or the Polaroid film, Stranger Things edition. I'll see you guys later.